Foam rolling and myofascial release are powerful tools for improving mobility, reducing soreness, and speeding up recovery. These techniques target the fascia, the web of connective tissue that surrounds and supports your muscles. When the fascia becomes tight or restricted, it can limit movement and contribute to pain. Myofascial release helps loosen those restrictions and restore balance to your body. The most accessible way to do this at home is with a foam roller. Foam rolling works by applying gentle, sustained pressure to specific muscle areas, encouraging tight tissues to relax and increasing blood flow. Think of it as a self-massage that helps your muscles move and recover more freely. Start by choosing the right roller. A medium-density foam roller is best for most people. If you're new to it or recovering from injury, avoid very firm or textured rollers at first. Begin with larger muscle groups, like your calves, quads, hamstrings, and back. To use it safely, position the roller under the muscle you want to target and slowly roll back and forth. Move about an inch per second, pausing on any tender spots. Hold gentle pressure there for 20 to 30 seconds until you feel the tension start to release. The key is to relax into the movement. Forcing or rolling too quickly can cause irritation instead of relief. Always avoid rolling directly over joints, bones, or areas with sharp pain. Focus on the surrounding muscles instead. If an area feels especially sensitive, reduce your body weight on the roller or switch to a softer tool like a massage ball or a handheld roller. Breathing deeply as you roll helps calm your nervous system and enhances the release effect. Try exhaling slowly as you move through tight spots. It signals your body to relax and let go of tension. Myofascial release isn't limited to foam rollers. Tools like massage balls, sticks, or even a simple lacrosse ball can target smaller areas such as the feet, shoulders, or neck. The principle is the same. Apply gentle, sustained pressure until you feel the tissue soften. Foam rolling before activity can help warm up the muscles and improve flexibility. After workouts or rehab exercises, it helps reduce soreness by promoting circulation and aiding recovery. The key is consistency, not intensity. Just a few minutes a day can improve mobility, decrease discomfort, and keep your muscles functioning optimally. So whether you're recovering from an injury or just want to feel and move better, foam rolling and myofascial release are simple yet powerful practices that keep your body supple, balanced, and ready for whatever comes next.